Hey again, plant friends. Check out that hummingbird nest. It's right on our wind chime. Anyway, today is about top dressing. My wife and I, we're not above buying our own, or well, buying other people's online. And they're great. They're like very sorted and colored. Today, this is what I'm going to take to go behind my house and get some top dressing. Alright, let's go. So basically what I'll do, take a scoop, there's some soil. Okay, got the screen, got another screen. So like maybe here, since it's one-handed right now. Boom. Instantly you get little top dressing rocks. Put in there. And then you get like sand and pebbles mixed. This is great top dressing right here. And then it's fun because you look through it real close. Oh, it's not going to focus for me. If you look at it real close, you can see all the little rocks in your area. You can find little fossils or quartz pieces, or what I like around where I live is these this kind of volcanic rock. And you can see there's, you know, big old ones around. But this is great size. And this isn't the end product yet. You see there's a lot of little organic debris in there. But we'll take care of that a little later. So I'm gonna just keep going. And there's the first run. All right, this back, that back. All right, it doesn't take much. Just grabbed a little bit here. And I'm just gonna pack it all up in this bucket and get out of here. Check out this datura. It's not open right now, but still pretty cool. Alright, now we use the bucket to transport our things, but this is what it's really for. Dump all our kind of stuff. And just instantly there's all sorts of organic stuff there. You literally just dump it off. I'm gonna do it a bunch of times. Another thing that's great to do is, I'm Asian, so wash your rice. You rinse it like this, and it picks up a bunch of stuff. The silt. You rub all the grains against each other and kind of clean each other. You see now it's even muddier. Well, that's pretty much it. You know, I put it on here, it's all wet still, but this is like how it'll look eventually. I'll dry it out. It's not like the absolute prettiest or like end all be all, but like It's free. It's kind of nice to have the different sizes. Usually, for top dressing and stuff, people, like if you buy it, it's graded a lot, so it's very uniform. But this, it kind of has, it fills itself in real nice because of the different particle size. And then here's like my old stash. I needed to replenish, so I made this video. And you know, it's mixed, definitely mixed particle size. You could sift it more, get it really like precise, but actually this kind of saves a step to use it like this for me. Here's more of those rocks that I like from around here, these volcanic stones. Cool little citrine quartz something. See through, guys.